CHAINLINK price prediction. CHAINLINK is one of the most successful and widely adopted cryptocurrency protocols. However, the link price does not reflect this, with CHAINLINK only the 23rd biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. This CHAINLINK price prediction deep dives into everything affecting its price, from its use case and tokenomics to investor sentiment. Find out whether Link is ready to explode or if its poor price performance is justified. CHAINLINK price history. CHAINLINK is a decentralized oracle provider offering feeds for on- and off-chain data. The project was created by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis and built by Chainlink Labs, based in San Francisco. It launched in 2017 as an eco, raising $32 million with a price of 9 cents. The project has a 1,000,000 total supply, of which 35% was sold at the pre-sale, 35% was allocated to node operators and the ecosystem, and 30% was withheld for Chainlink Labs. Following its pre-sale, Link immediately climbed above its eco price, trading between 19 cents and $1.27 until July 2019, when it rallied to $3.50. Then, the price embarked on a bullish ascent up to its $52.70 in May 2021, as seen on the Chainlink price chart above. However, after its ATH, Chainlink experienced significant price volatility, ultimately leading to a bear market and continuous lower lows. The current Chainlink price is $18.71, down 64.5% from its ATH, with a market cap of $3.25 billion. Chainlink price prediction 2024. Many experts predict the crypto markets will pick up in 2024 due to the Bitcoin halving. Currently, Chainlink is in the midst of releasing multiple network upgrades, including its cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, and Chainlink Economics 2.0. CCIP is a cross-chain messaging service enabling developers to integrate data from other blockchains within decentralized applications, dApps, without writing customized code. This upgrade will vastly improve blockchain interoperability, opening the entire crypto ecosystem up via the Chainlink network. Chainlink Economics 2.0 will introduce staking and other initiatives designed to ensure the long-term growth of the Chainlink network. According to the Chainlink website, the upgrade will increase Chainlink's value capture. While both of these upgrades will likely bolster the Chainlink price, CCIP could be particularly impactful since interoperability is one of the primary issues faced in crypto today. However, there are also issues which suppress the price of Chainlink looking ahead. First, the Chainlink team has been criticized for aggressively selling Link tokens to fund the ecosystem's growth. For example, one of the Chainlink team's wallets received 50 million Link and incrementally dumped it on the market over a 4-year period starting in 2017. While selling tokens to fund development may prove beneficial long-term, forced sell pressure is likely why investors feel Chainlink has been unable to reach its price potential thus far. In a recent update, the team announced they will release 7% of the Chainlink total supply this year. Although they highlighted this is less than many other top 100 cryptos, it still represents a significant amount of sell pressure on an already struggling token. Furthermore, Chainlink node operators often sell the tokens they are rewarded, reducing the impact of Link's utility-driven demand. Consequently, a large portion of the Chainlink price is driven by speculation. Still, Chainlink Economics 2.0 aims to tackle this issue and is showing promising signs thus far. With this in mind, our Chainlink price prediction estimates possible lows of $11, highs of $25 and an average price of $18. Chainlink price prediction 2025. Looking ahead to 2025, Chainlink looks to be one of the most actionable projects since it is working on multiple initiatives that will take DeFi to the next level. Currently, Chainlink is building a real-world assets (RWA) infrastructure to make tokenizing them trustless and secure. Recently, Chainlink has partnered with Swift to begin testing blockchain infrastructure for large traditional finance institutions such as Lloyds Banking Group and Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, DTCC. According to the Swift press release, the initiative will enable the institutions to transfer tokenized assets across blockchains. Chainlink has also partnered with countless other world-leading enterprises such as Amazon Web Services, Associated Press and Google BigQuery. With this in mind, it is evident that institutional adoption of cryptocurrency will involve Chainlink. Moreover, most cryptocurrency protocols, including Ethereum, Cardano and Arbitrum, use Chainlink for data feeds. Consequently, the Chainlink network demand will grow as the crypto market grows. Therefore, our Chainlink price prediction forecasts lows of $20, highs of $28 and an average price of $24 by the end of 2025. Chainlink price prediction 2030. Taking a long-term outlook, the main advantage of Chainlink is that it has monopolized the Oracle service provider sector. While it faces stern competition in API 3, Chainlink has a 30x larger market cap than API 3's market cap, proving its dominance. Furthermore, as we have discussed, Chainlink provides data feeds to almost all important players in the cryptocurrency space. Therefore, a bet on Chainlink is essentially a bet on the entire cryptocurrency industry. That said, the Chainlink tokenomics must also be considered. Link's utility and aggressive sell pressure from the team may prevent the price from reaching its potential. However, the sell pressure could be absorbed if the team continues adding utility to the token. Providing Chainlink adds utility to its token, its adoption, network upgrades, and relatively low market means it could be one of the best long-term cryptos. With this in mind, our Chainlink price prediction forecasts a minimum price of $32, a maximum price of $48 and an average price of $40 by the end of 2030. While this may seem low considering its current ATH, our price prediction is based on the current information on Chainlink's future developments. Moreover, although it could climb higher, our predictions provide a range in which we believe the price could sustain itself. What is Chainlink and what is it used for? Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle service that provides on- and off-chain data to blockchain projects. The Chainlink network consists of decentralized Oracle nodes that gather data and report it to a Chainlink data feed, which then aggregates it into one data point. In return for reporting data, network oracles receive Link. However, providers must stake Link tokens to run an Oracle node, which can be slashed if the data is reported incorrectly. This ensures that nodes are honest and they report correct data. One of the primary uses of Chainlink is to provide price data to dApps. Important note: the prices mentioned in this video may differ at the time of playback and viewing, due to the continuous volatility and fluctuation of crypto market prices.